Today I'm going to tell you a spicy riddle. What's orange and sounds like a parrot? This is a really hard one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you guess the answer? It's, drumroll please, carrot. You get it? Parrot, carrot, orange sounds like a parrot. That is a carrot. Rhymes. So this is a scissor craft activity, and it's my first scissor craft because it does say it's my first scissor craft. This looks really fun. Look at all the fun pictures that we can do, cut out. So let's begin. There's a house with a tree, a pizza plate, pizza, a rainbow, interesting, some flowers, a hedgehog, the sun, an apple tree, snake, a ladybug, a fish, a butterfly, a turtle, and that's it. Apparently here is all the paper stuff that we've got. So I want to do the pizza one. I took the paper off, so let's cut the pizza. Oh, these are dot lines. We should cut the long dot ones, so we'll do that. Right. So now that we're done with the pizza shape, you see these dotted lines in the middle, right? I'm going to cut it and make it a 4 pizza slice. I hope I do good. I cut the pizza, look! I cut one side and I cut 2 sides, and I have a pizza smiley face now. Hello, I'm Mr. Smiley Pizza. Now we have to cut this dotted line so that we can stick it on the pizza roll. I'll go over here and paste the pizza slices with this special glue that came in the package. Okay guys, so let's rub this. Rub the glue. Ooh, nice. this first slice of the pizza looks amazing. I got a piece on good, really good. So I'm doing all this just for one pizza slice. Now let's move on to the next pizza slice. So use this pizza for this side. Perfecto. Okay, I'm going to use this pizza now. Pizza slice. Thank you for mentioning the pizza slice. Pizza slice. Let's get the glue again. Let's put it and let's put some globs. Just put some globs. Second slice. Man, the pizza will take 2 hours, so you better wait for 2 hours. Because I'm crafting a pizza because I see Maleficent is here. I want to give her a real pizza, so let's trick her. Trickery. Okay, so next slice is going to be, hello there. Don't mess around with my tape, okay? So this one, open up the glue again to do a pizza slice. Just a pizza slice. Pizza might be a big problem for Miss Maleficent, so yeah. The glue, answer, and your glue. Okay, are you listening, Mr. Glue? Now let's blend it in. Let's see if it works. I'm making the pizza. Tapping it with my hands so that it doesn't go out of the oven and different stuff. It was already cooked, but I had to cook it more. So I hope you enjoy this pizza crust Maleficent baking child thing video. Give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell ding 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 for a special video for you guys. Bye everybody!